If you enjoyed this complete deep pore unclogging transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare videos. How massive blackheads form. Blackheads become larger over time, when oil continues collecting inside the pores. As dead skin and debris mix together, the blockage grows thicker and more compact. Eventually, the pores stretch under pressure. Why congested skin looks uneven. Heavy pore congestion changes the texture of the entire nose area. The skin begins to appear rougher, darker, more uneven, because the pores are overloaded with buildup. Step 1. Deep cleansing preparation. The treatment begins with a full cleanse, to remove surface oil and prepare the skin. Step 2. Steam pore activation. Warm steam softens the hardened congestion inside the pores. This helps prepare the skin for deeper extraction. Step 3. Massive extraction begins. The first blackheads begin to release slowly. Some pores contain thick compact buildup that has remained trapped for a long time. Step 4. Full congestion removal. As the treatment continues, multiple enlarged pores are cleared. Large sections of congestion release from the skin, revealing smoother texture underneath. Step 5. Amazing skin transformation. After the buildup is removed, the change in texture becomes visible immediately. The skin appears cleaner, smoother, more refined. Step 6. Recovery skin calming. A soothing treatment is applied to reduce redness and support recovery after extraction. Final results. Before, massive congestion and enlarged pores. After, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin, an amazing deep cleansing transformation. Final message. When deep congestion is finally removed, the skin doesn't just look cleaner, it looks completely transformed. If you enjoyed this massive nose blackheads extraction and amazing skin transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare videos.